Welcome to the new AI widget tutorials. This tutorial is about how to make a table with a variable number of columns. The widget generator can create a table with predefined columns. If you need a table with variable number of columns, it can be created manually. Let's start with item definition, just name and list of strings. The table definition is a list view custom with specified types. The component is typical: name, list of text adapter for the values, item, set data, and update view methods. Here are imported methods: add valued cell and remove valued cell. The add valued cell method creates an instance of a new cell from the template, then adds text to the valued text and foregrounds list and calls update view. Template is the component with reference to the text adapter. The remove valued cell method does the opposite thing and also calls update view. Now how to use those methods. We need the table and templates for the table cell and header cell. In add column method we add a cell for each row, and create a cell from the template and add it to the header. The remove column method is similar, it removes cells from rows and the header. Now let's look at how it works in runtime. That's all, thanks for watching.